What's up, my people on a day? It's your boy OBIKING, and I'm back again with another fantabulous episode of my comedy reaction. Of course, you know what I do now. I bring you guys the best. I compile the best. Mona, no worry. Just sit down, relax, and watch this video. You feel me? So, don't play. Let's go have some fun. Funnybros, you don't carry person belts wrong.
Yoko.
You dey want?
They play the show now we they do.
So let's not shaggi again. Guys.
He shot you.
So let's not enter your eyes. Funnybros strong go. Gary. They don't take rice. They don't take Gary. Finish my guy. Yeah, Kataefe this time. This is their compilation of undefeated duo.
Hey!
Ordinary breast. Now they take me Kataefe. Ordinary breast. Your own worse.
Where's the breast? Jotter! Yes!
Blood of Jesus. I don't want trouble. I beg go.
They don't suck you get breast go. As a man, let's see who's going away, man.
You dey threaten me?
Hey, open. Bread.
No, baby.
Mama, don't collect my percentage. You know if from Lagos, from Port Harcourt, come with me. From Port Harcourt, we don't see Bobby tire. Now money with the chase.
Oh, now we win.
Baba, listen to me. No matter what you do for woman, once you sleep with her, she don't pay you. I rest my case on God.
Now they see now, best of undefeated.
You dey threaten me?
No, see there.
Wait, you dey threaten me? Ha! Ima, you dey threaten me?
You dey want?
Yoko.
Well,
One day,
Hey!
nobody talks
Hey,
about
look
the
at
industry.
you don't go bribing, see.
Work is done.
You go bribing, brother. Can you imagine?
God have mercy upon us.
The Lord has done it.
Finally.
Everything there.
One day, who play?
Talkless. Talkless enter boutique.
I saw it before this new year.
Money here go sweet too.
Play.
Oh my brother say money don't flow everywhere.
Talkless don't get money now.
They gree patronize us now. We get everything for here now because we don't get followers on Instagram. They gree patronize. I say na high fashion and there's that on they go. You don't say we do original things for here.
Who they buy fashion?
Be you people now.
Now cannot they hide me, not be fashion.
That's how we no get money.
About that check. You
I
can see
said
original
sorry.
things.
Talk less,
You
we no
yourself
get
for
money.
here.
Boss man, I hear as they complain say you no get followers online.
My brother, they tell you, only my wife and my family they follow me for IG like this.
As your show big reach,
Upon say I get everything.
I get person wey go help you run am.
With that, I beg.
Speedy Fame Official for Instagram.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you for this information. Where you
Thank you, Matai. Go give me discount too.
You know my customer. They check. Yeah, you know my better customer. Talkless. How far now? What is the fine? See, fine things we get.
I see him.
See this one. Okay. See.
I see him.
No, now just because we know big online, you understand me? You get nothing we no get for here.
Run,
Talkless, pick something now. Just a minute. Pick something.
Come make us see another place.
That's what they do for you.
Just say we get everything.
Tutu, you get clothes for this shop.
I go lie for you. What you really want buy?
One name, I beg.
Let's have it.
I beg, you get this red list of shoe.
How? What you want buy?
Person borrow me shoe, so I dey go wedding tomorrow. If you give me this kind list, if I come out for wedding, I will bring it back.
Wait. Because of this academy, they will come and start doing things.
What type of play?
Now little what they make question. Person buy list today, go buy shoe tomorrow.
Buy a bin and borrow.
Oh, that's true. Person borrow list today, go borrow shoe.
Yeah, come up my shop.
You go steal borrow.
Go for ya.
There's no borrow today, go steal borrow tomorrow. No worry. Can you imagine?
Wetin dey smell here now?
Madam, which one is waiting the smell and you're turning to look at me? What is wrong with you now?
Oga, dey perceive something around you. I never even talk, you don dey shout.
What insolence, madam? You're perceiving something around me? Madam, Oga, talk to this girl. I brought myself down, stooped myself so low to come into a public transport. That doesn't mean you disrespect my kind of being.
Bia. Which kind talk be that? Wetin you come want make I do now, eh? How do you expect me to feed my family?
Yeah.
You know, man, I'm a mother of many nations.
Now, madam, who are you?
Which kind talk? I don't tell you say find better place where you go trade Bitcoin. You don't go there now, they don't go scam you. Wetin you want make I come do now, eh?
Madam, the guy is in trading your Bitcoin.
No be person wey suppose send me money, eh? In the talk say they don't scam am.
Madam, no be everybody see go give your Bitcoin now. See, I tell you, downtown are the most favorable platform to trade your Bitcoin and other digital assets. Their rates they very juicy and sweet. And as I talk to you now, they give 10 free withdrawals to new users. Madam, you see as that time like that, in less than 1 minute, they don't pay you. You know they waste time. And guess what? This thing where they complain like this now, they get 24 hours customer support. Ha! Trading with downtown is the shortest and the safest because payment they guaranteed. If you even call register on downtown now, you can use the code Sabinus. Take the registration, you get a cashback on all your transfers and also bonus points.
Eh?
Yes.
But this one where this person they tell me, this one they tell me, who I won't come listening to now?
Now me now.
No mind now.
Young man, what's up with you now?
Don't mind them. Because I know I say downtown they give bonus to anybody refer person.
Yeah!
Like I said now, even if you don't trade for the platform, or they refer person to trade for the platform, they will give you bonus. So if you get up to 100,000 naira every month. Now make you rush the chook mat. Nothing sabi.
Madam, who refer you?
Madam, no answer that. Go Play Store or Apple Store, download the app, they use and they trade. You don't go regret them.
Okay, what's wrong with you now? Did you say anything here?
What did you say?
I said the main things.
Oh, chim.
No problem. Madam, please, please.
Fake. I don't tell you may you chop this chicken. You don't want chop them. I go carry this chicken, give this brother. Oh. I go give this chicken to this brother. I go carry this chicken, give to this brother. Jesus. What happened to the chicken where they give my picking?
Is it?
How? I got it. God forbid. Only had a man.
No, how you do your mouth like this?
Jesus, he entered my mouth. See me, see problem. Oh, that's what chicken they do these days. See me, so sorry, please.
Okay, you go provide this chicken. Over here, you know they play.
Calm down.
No wahala. May we first read that junction where we dey go. Now because of this dirty character where he just do now. Now wetin my late husband do wey make me kill am. I don't take nonsense so. May we first read that junction.
Madam, hello. People should talk to her or she dey kill her. I don't know when the chicken entered my mouth. How I chewed it, I don't know. Madam. Madam, beg her now.
She go buy you, no. Now woman you the class.
What did go tell you?
My son, come. My pikin. I think now you then they come do baby.
Mama na me, I be baby.
Now your house they come so safe.
Did
You go fit pick money from me from the land of the dead.
Mama, even the living no fit leave me. Let the dead depend on my answer. Bring the dick on.
Do baby no carry my transaction play oh.
Mama, listen to me. My answer active like a shower wey start work newly. You know they use condom play. I know if you carry your work play, bring work on for baby, mama.
Okay. But you give me your phone, make I put the person number so that you go carry your account number, send for her.
Mama, paste on here. Which country the person dey? I don't send that for now.
Oh no.
10,000 pounds?
So you go send the money for me.
Mama. What you want carry 10,000 pounds do?
No baby. So what you they try talk? Don't tell me say you want chop my money.
Mama, listen to me. The street be like picking when man born for outside. They cry, Sabi pain the new wife. I rest my case on God.
We shall see.
Hey!
Jesus! Mama! Mama! Bros, I beg no verse. You see that woman I've been stand for here?
That old woman.
Bros, I beg, you know where she dey stay?
Okay. I dey see her for that junction for front there. You get one touch house where they sell akara. Now there she dey stay.
That house?
Yes.
Thank you. Mama!
Oh! Digi where ya boga.
Mama! What happened to Mama? No.
Okay, kwa. Now. Person where died since last year. Now today we carry and come back from mortuary.
Last year!
You don't feel bury am like that now. Now 7 cow need to go down before she enter ground. If not, her spirit could disturb everybody. Very evil woman. What did she do, people? Man, your jaw.
Bros, man, I shift.
Okay, kwa.
Just shift.
Okay, kwa. What are you trying to do?
Bros, you don't understand. If I come up for here, I no go survive. Ma just cuckoo day. Mama shift.
I don't dare my fans.
Oh, why Yana?
You can.
Okay, sorry,
Yana.
Yana.
Thank you. Azman.
Photo.
Okay, kwa.
What have I done with myself?
Up walk, chupia, muti.
He get a CB. He get a CB.
Why all of them gone they run?
I'm about to be in darkness.
Toa. I don't shoot brother, die now. Now this can play me, I know they like save.
Bros, I beg. What did happen for you?
Now what's that? Now we did. We can also make you the follow us around that time.
As you big as you are, you see the play was start. You just so much you train them.
70 years old.
Your mama not train you well. At all.
Take this money. Go Mama Nkechi place, buy me pepper and Maggie. Come back, nah, no one wait for you. Take. Emma, you see this spit where I pour for ground? Make you not dry, make you not come back this house. You dey hear me? Okay. If this spit dry and you not come back for this house, I not see you here. You go see what me and you go do for this house today. We go pull leg for 1,000. Or you go buy the thing. Fast, I dey wait for you.
Okay, mommy. Shame! I don't die.
Yeah. Anybody, you don't throw here.
Wait, boss, a big. You see my money?
Which money? I don't see anything, no.
Shame! I said to them, I own tax free. Hey!
Go back that place now. Follow all this way.
Okay, what's up?
I just love it here, babe. I hope you're having fun. Come on, are you tired already?
Wait first, please, where are we going to?
Nowhere. We're hiking. It's a hiking date.
This is our 1 month anniversary and we just did waka waka.
Babe, it's just a hike day. You can do this. Okay. Nowhere, babe.
It's not like I cannot do it.
Look at this place. Don't you think here will be so fun to be together in the midnight? Just the both of us.
Midnight, can you imagine?
Me and you in the middle of the night. Yes. 12 a.m.
Come on, babe. You have to explore, be spontaneous.
Oh, well, I have enough peace at home.
Come on, babe.
Please.
So, babe, remember you said you can do anything for me.
Yes.
Let's go. So, babe, just imagine as we're walking in the middle of nowhere, a very big lion just jumps out to attack us. What would you do, my prince?
I will disappear. I will disappear. You don't disappear.
Zubi. How, Chim?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. Madam, you know they go again.
What's your problem? Did I call you? Oh, I carry your keke, they go, Jerry.
But now you stop me now.
See me see embarrassment too. Oga, carry this cattle. Come on for here.
Ha.
How are you?
I'm fine. You stay here?
No, I came to see my friend, but I'm about going home.
Okay.
Is this your car?
This is one of my cars.
Ah, Chibike. You carry me this car today.
Serious?
Yes, now. You want to carry me in your car?
You want me to carry you?
I went to this car.
Let's go now.
Let's go.
This is normal and fake life. She's too sabi fake life.
Chibike, thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Your money na 12 too.
12 to for waiting.
Give me a surprise though. It be like saying that because surgery no day. Because normally it's supposed to be 15,000.
Chibike, 12 to for what now?
For the ride now. Now Uber they do now.
Now Uber they do, Chibike.
Now you say I can't drop you. I can't drop you now.
You know, come on, let me enter my keke. You let me enter your car.
Pay money for me. Me I no get time. I beg. 12 too. When I told you that year, you agree for me.
Call your account.
90 65 447. Let me see. Give me
my phone, John.
Now, financial advice I will give you. I'm not going to give you financial advice.
Zubi.
How, Chim? What?
I beg, rate me 5 star.
You're very sick.
No, punish you.
Nonsense.
Not go walk, go cry.
No me got those videos. No me got those CLK.
Fear, I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face. Because if I not pour spit for your face today, tomorrow you go still pour me spit. You know understand?
Welcome. Sabinus finally in love. Even the girl of Mass and
What did go tell you?
Where the Maggie where I send you? I said, where the Maggie where I send you? Where the Maggie?
Hey! Voila!
Roll up in the club. Hello, babe.
Hello, Calvin.
Babe, this one you're calling me by my name. Is there anything wrong?
Actually, I'm calling to let you know that I just don't feel like this is working out. I think this is going to be the last conversation that we have. I've blocked you everywhere. So maybe we should just forget that this ever happened. Yeah, I wish you well.
Shy.
I beg, why not people wahala?
Hold up, nigga. Bro, your girlfriend just stepped on me.
And what are you gonna do about it?
What can be this?
No, I'm just playing, man. I'm just playing. Babe, let's apologize to him.
Okay.
So what you?
Jesus!
Bro!
You dey threaten me?
He dey play the show now every day, do.
On your con.
Oh, my phone. Hello? No. It's 295 Spring Street. Yeah. We'll be there in 2 hours. Okay, thank you. Come on, babe.
I know they talk too much for the industry.
What is that?
What? You got a card? You're in flowers? You got this for me?
No. Let me see that.
Oh, I want to see it. Don't give
Let
it to
me see it.
Oh, give it.
Let me see it. Still thinking about the last time. Let me know when you ditched your loser boyfriend. Can't wait to see you again.
No.
Who's the loser?
No, I didn't write that. I didn't write that.
You have another boyfriend?
No, babe, I never cheated on you. I didn't do this.
No, you can't play. You can only play innocent for so long. Take your card. Take your card. Take your card. Your flowers in your bear, and you guys can go.
Oh, listen.
No.
I'm about to put that for you.
I pour you spit.
No.
I pour spit for your face.
Leave.
Because if I not pour spit for your face today, tomorrow you go still pour me spit.
Oh, Egovin.
You think it's a joke?
See, now as your husband die, then bury him. Now begin to die for you. I'm telling you. Forget about that. They hear say they thought say man say like widow, But you are not looking like a widow to me. But that man is wicked. Though. How can he leave this kind of big thing? Who is servicing the engine? But I'm here. I know you have been eyeing me when your husband was alive. But no worry. As you don't die now, they don't bury him. Now me and you now, I gonna hear him pompa back to back. Hear him, I chop you.
Papa the pap.
Okay, what?
Let's have it.
Esprit de corps.
On your bed, yeah.
Esprit de corps. You dey ask me.
The secretary, this guy are very early.
Esprit de corps.
And who is that?
No, it's one of my tenant's son.
But he just called you Papa.
You know, as I am old, all the children in the compound, they are calling me Papa. Papa. I'm a generous man.
Are you serious? Mama, you there? You sit down under mango tree. Your man, they go.
Don't know. I don't understand. Which one be say my man, they go?
You don't understand. Make I tell you again. Your man, they go.
I don't still understand that woman.
Mama, give me a hand. Make I show you vision.
Make you show a vision. Where we see the vision now.
Back to what we are saying. See big thing.
So you want to show us the life vision?
Your man, they go.
The
You
lie.
go there, they sit down for mango tree.
Okay.
Your man, they go. That be Papa be that.
Of course. If not that, this rapper is covering things. I know the good things there, but I know when we enter inside room, you are going to uncover it. I will see it.
No,
man.
No. You're this man.
Okay, what?
Are you okay? What are you doing here? Okay, they remember.
Man, the way.
What are you doing with the husband?
What's what I do for you? You don't leave your husband.
I hear you there.
Another one.
I hear you there, Okwaya. Okay, I don't catch you today. Your nyash don't open today.
So you're married?
Madam, will you get
Madam, who are you?
Okay. Okay.
You won't give me. Now head, you won't give me. Oh, now head, you ready?
Papa, when I tell you say esprit they come, you for Roger.
Wait
If
till
for
begin.
Roger small thing, I make a use guide. Now I don't cast your update. Mama, what am I?
Ejimia.
Well, I'm tight.
Ejimia.
Let that not be tight the video. Get out.
For Roger,
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Get over here!
If you don't believe in yourself, who will believe for you?
Who swear for these people?
Hey.
Hold up. Wait a minute. You will eat meat pie.
Every day, I need the Brody of Racing.
Now this one enter her eye. $100. That one, that money enter her eye.
And what the fuck you are the boy? Man, I live like a prince in a Dubai. And what the fuck?
You see these boys?
Oh.
If they smoke, it go for you.
Women. Spartans!
A few moments later.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
So what are you gonna say at my funeral now that you've killed me?
The girl a bad girl. The girl a bad girl. They do magic of Indomie for you, you know, like you know, enter your eye. They do egg, you know, enter your eye. The moment you saw money, $100, that will enter your eye. That's it, man. So guys, what's your favorite part of the video? I believe you enjoy it. Just drop it right in the comment section. Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop nice comments. Share this video, it's very important. Share it to your WhatsApp status, your Instagram status, your Facebook status, everywhere. Share it to your friends, everybody. Just share this video, you understand? Make people laugh. It's very, very important. And above all, subscribe to my channel. It's important to me, you feel me? So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace out.